Because I rise to speak on the calling attention moved by Mrs. Divya Rane. It's because I'd be very brief because everyone has explained in details. But we all know that Goa is always a monsoon region. And floods are there today on roads and almost everywhere on every part of Goa. And maga dista hui na hui, we have failed. Monsoons and rains are not new. But the way, the frequency of it happening in the last 2 years, short spells with more frequency. We normally get an average of 120. But if you look in the last 3 years, short frequency, but more amount of rain. Now it's because this has put a lot of pressure on the infrastructure. And I believe that the infrastructure that was created by this government has somehow crumbled. And why it has crumbled is something that the Honorable Chief Minister needs to look into. Landslides are very serious issues. And it's that landslides are the way due to waterlogging. And waterlogging is itle damage zalele. Never in the history has this happened. So what is the reason for our infrastructure crumbling? Ye jenna maga dista amche when we raised this issue last time about substandard works, the Honorable Chief Minister आमी jenna पेडणेच्या गावांत गेले landslide area, आमदारूय गेल्ले थिंगा 2 पुसा, and I thank that RTO officer जो inspector आशिल्लो तेणे ताबोरतोब त्या वेळार लोकांक आनी ट्रॅफिक स्टॉप केलें. If you look at the way at the frequency of this is happening, that means technically there is an issue. Speaker sir, म्हाका दिसता issue is with the contractor of that particular stretch. आनी मुखेलमंत्रीन एक्शन जातलें म्हणून सांगलेलें. जो आमचो road transport highway minister Gadkari ji also said an action would have happened. Even if the contractor is the zawai of the government, action has to take place. Speaker sir, म्हाका दिसता आमचे actions o pod कोण जावया o contractorak blacklist करपाक जाय, because that particular stretch, according to information, was given to a Chinese subcontractor. In Chinese पावले. Chinese firm subcontractor was given a subcontract. So what is the standard of that? Speaker sir, आमचे गोंयचे जावई, and I believe a very good leader, Suresh Prabhu, and he is very close to the Honorable Chief Minister. He had advised about Goa's carrying capacity and that a scientific study has to be done. In the same way, last year I raised this issue, and he emphasized on the protection of the Western Ghats. Gadgil report, it is lying. It is because it is believed that a big hill station is coming in Western Ghats. This is the effect. This is the effect of the hill station that is supposed to come out, the destruction. Has the government done any study on this? Last time I had pointed out to the Honorable Revenue Minister ISRO, what they had said that because of the soil erosion, and that announced that both the districts, North Goa and South Goa, both are landslide prone. Already amka ya authority in sanglelen. What action has the department taken? Speaker sir, disaster management itself is a disaster. Last time, equipment what is the equipment to handle a disaster? And as per the report given to me, or the answer, the State Emergency Operations Center, it has one LED screen, one landline, and one desktop. During an emergency, we need to call them, and they are absolutely not knowing anything about how to handle a disaster. For instance, I was with the current Udkacho Paddecha Gawant, Jenna Budlo, in one stretch, current was passing through water, and the people had to be evacuated. Whom do we contact? Whom do the people contact? Roads were shut. We could not go from one place to the other place. There are no safety standards. And I believe that unless the Honorable Chief Minister and the Revenue Minister takes our disaster management squad very, very seriously, We are on a ticking time bomb. On a ticking time bomb, like a Kerala flood-like situation is waiting to hit Goa. Why is it that I believe the Honorable Chief Minister, with regards to NIO, with regards to all the agencies, with regards to both his engines, Doni double engine Sarkar has to work together. Aj, especially with Penne, Jenna Prashn Ashillo Bab Praveen Arlekaracho, he had questioned about the DPR because of the water drainage system while preparing the Gawandwadi ya Wadyak, anga service road na, ani DPR ant, they have made provision for cattle pass, but loka hospana. Monzati hospadata lokana, and it's a good thing that you all do it for cattle pass. But Speaker sir, this DPR itself has failed. So there has to be a study. Chief Minister must have not been, I believe he was the speaker at that time. But why he did all these projects of infrastructure are crumbling, and the way that they are crumbling, they all look that these landslides are monuments of corruption. And there has to be a thorough inquiry into all these landslides.
तुम्ही पळयतात GNH.